What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode, I guess, of our vlog series that we've started here at Artisa Wheels. So I'm Gels, and today we have Anna's 240 SX. We're going to be swapping out the old bunk eBay coilovers that are in it when she picked it up to some brand new Fortune Autos. So quite a bit of the upgrade here for the suspension. Does ride a little rough, so hopefully these Fortune Autos are gonna help out with that. So super excited for this install. As you can see, we got some Artisa carriers on here. So this, we are setting up for a drift setup for her. So she's gonna be taking this up to our local drift track on the weekends, and that's what we wanna do. We wanna get this thing set up the right way for her with the Artisas, with the new Fortune Autos, and make sure she's good to go. So Anna has got the Fortune Autos right here. And do you know what series are these ones? Are they the 500, the 510s?
Oh, the 500s.
500s, perfect. All right, so tell us a little bit about your 240 SX real quick.
So I got it a few months ago. It replaced my 370Z. I picked it up in Texas, drove it all the way back because I broke boy status. It made it. It was a really rough ride, but yeah.
Perfect. All right, so all that being said, we're gonna get diving into this thing, tearing apart the front end first. We're gonna get the wheels off, get the old suspension out, and then get the new Fortune Autos in. So let's get to it. All right, so here we got our comparison side by side of the old struts, or the old coilovers compared to our brand new Fortune Auto. So a little bit of night and day difference here. So like we said, these are the Fortune Auto 500 series coilovers. Now this is Fortune Auto's like entry level of their coilover. Now, not saying that's bad by any means, but the 500 series are a fantastic coilover. And the best thing about Fortune Auto is that they are modular. So if you ever wanted to upgrade these to like a 510 series, or if you just wanted to like get different springs, or if you wanted them rebuilt in the near future, you can absolutely do that. That's what's so great about Fortune Auto. It's like a lifetime product. You can always get it upgraded. You can always get them rebuilt. So these will be fantastic for this car, and they'll last a long, long time. It's not because there is such a difference in the two coilovers between like spring rates and body heights and stuff like that. We're just trying to do our best to make sure that the both of the fronts are even, and we're gonna have to adjust it once we get it on the car to the desired ride height and things like that. But we're just doing the best right now to make sure that both the left and the right are the same to begin with. In case we do like it, then we can keep it, we don't have to mess with it. But odds are probably gonna have to adjust it once we get it on the car.
Side is good then.
Easy.
And then the next side we can do really fast.
Hell yeah.
It's just like stuck in that little spot.
Get like a pry bar or something. Yep, just enough to. Holy frank. Just like that, fronts are in. Just got to torque it down and we'll be moving on to the rear. So that was actually probably some of the fastest coilovers I've ever seen go in my life.
Yep.
Knock on wood somewhere that the rears go just as easy. We're just going to take out some of the interior pieces here to be able to access a few upper bolts here. Be able to get that out. So once we get these interior pieces, just knock those out and drop them out. I'm not sure what's going on there. We are just messing with the strut bar a little bit so we can get it back on, and then the rear will be done. Should be good to go. All right, so we got everything buttoned up last night, all dialed in, ride height adjusted. We realized we forgot to film the outro. We were so excited to get it done. So here we are, 240, brand new Fortune Auto coilovers, looking a lot better than those other ones were. It doesn't even have like a real name to them, some eBay brand coilovers, but we're on some good old Fortune Autos. I think this thing's gonna be a lot nicer for Anna here. So I think that's gonna wrap it up. I think we're good to go. Good old transformation on the 240, much needed process for it. So let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do next for this vlog series. We got a bunch of other cars that we can work on. What would you guys like to see? Would you like to see some more suspension stuff? Would you like to see more wheel stuff? You want to see some engine stuff? Let us know, we'll knock it out. But in the meantime, check out Artisa Wheels, artisawheels.com, wheels, tires, and Fortune Auto suspension. Check it out.